Hello everyone, Aaron Anderson with PTI Orthotics and Foot Resource Lab here, Boulder and Longmont, Colorado. Today we're going to talk about refurbishments. Question I get a lot is my orthotics are several years old, they're falling apart, they don't quite feel like they used to. Does that mean that I need new orthotics? The most direct answer to that question is probably not. The supermajority of the time I can refurbish them at least once, sometimes several times. You don't need to have new orthotics made as often as offices that dispense orthotics tell you. It's just not the case. This is a pair of orthotics that we dispensed to a patient back in 2011. It is now 2017. The doctor that referred this patient happens to like the high temperature thermoplastics, this white plastic part here. Very durable product. I've seen these go 15 years, even longer in a few cases. Not all doctors are fans of the high temperature thermoplastics. They're kind of hard. PTI does fabricate orthotics from soft foam, hard foam, poly-reinforced foams, fiberglass composites, opposite end of the spectrum, viscoelastic polymer gel, very soft and squishy, and in certain applications, carbon fiber composites, ultra rigid for cycling and applications like that. So as you can see, these guys are very well loved, falling apart. She has worn through the covers, worn the covers off. Just FYI, when you start to see itty bitty little holes and things starting to delaminate, don't wait so long, bring them on in. So I'm going to work some magic on these and I'll show you what they look like after we're all done. So I'll be right back. And we are all finished. These are the same inserts that we just showed you, so we'll start from the bottom and work our way up. The heel stabilizers on both, we have remachined those, nice crisp edges. Things are now square with a supporting surface, very stable. There's no rocking inside the shoe now. On the bottom of the forefoot, we have what we call our diamond skin. This is very, very thin, very durable. It's only about 1 millimeter in thickness. It's the same material that the wheels or casters on your shopping carts are made out of, skateboard wheels. Very durable. I've seen it go 10, 12 years. From the top, underneath the top cover, there was some polyurethane cushioning we had underneath the heel. That has been replaced. On this right side, there's a metatarsal support. That has been replaced. And of course, the new covers. So with the exception of a little bit of dirt, these are like new. So if you have orthotics from us or from another lab, PTI Orthotics can refurbish them for you. However, there are some running shops and ski shops in the area. They use a very low molding temperature material, and they'll mold it directly to your foot under, have you sit in a chair and mold it up under your arch, press it up into the arch, or have you stand on this molding pillow. I do not work on those. The reason is the temperature that material molds at is really, really low. And when we use the combination of heat and solvent to break the bond of the cement, we run the risk of changing the shape of your orthotics, melting them, possibly ruining them. So it can be done. It's their product. I would let them work on it. I just don't want to take the risk of ruining somebody's inserts. So our turnaround time is usually around 3 to 5 days, depending on the schedule. We do have a while you wait service for those of you that only have one set of orthotics or just cannot go without your orthotics. There is an additional fee for that service. But when you call, we'll block off an hour on the schedule. We'll do everything while you're here, while you wait. We ask that you stay in the office during this appointment so we can show you what we're doing while we're doing it. And at the end of the appointment, you have your orthotics back in your hand, ready to take home with you. There is an exception to that. We do use some materials that are a two-part viscoelastic polymer gel. It's a part A, part B type material. We mix it up, starts out as a liquid. We can make it as hard or as soft as we want for nice, cushy, soft tissue supplementation. That material does take some time to cure, so we can't just have you walk on that right away. So give us a call or visit us on the web at ptiorthotics.com. You can also find us on Facebook. Thanks for tuning in.